In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your domain to HostGator from GoDaddy, a process that ensures your domain points to your new hosting provider seamlessly. We'll walk through each step, making sure you understand exactly what to do and why it's essential. First, let's start by logging into your GoDaddy account. If you already have an account, navigate directly to the Domain Manager. The Domain Manager is your central hub for managing all your GoDaddy domains. Once you're there, locate the domain you wish to transfer. This step is critical as it sets the foundation for everything we're about to do. Clicking on your domain will reveal various options for managing it. Look for the ones related to name servers. Now we're going to change the domain's name servers to HostGators. This step is crucial as it tells the internet where your domain is hosted. In the settings, you'll see the option to edit the name servers. Enter HostGator's name servers, ns1.hostgator.com and ns2.hostgator.com. After entering these, save your changes. Keep in mind, name servers function like a signpost, directing traffic to your HostGator hosting account, so ensuring these are correct is vital. With that done, go ahead and log into your HostGator cPanel. This is where you'll manage your web hosting needs. If you haven't added your domain yet, now is the time to do so. In cPanel, find the Domain section and look for the option to add a new domain. Follow the prompts to add your domain. This step allows HostGator to recognize and host it. After you've completed these steps, you'll need to be a bit patient. This is the waiting game known as the DNS propagation process. Essentially, DNS propagation updates global servers to recognize your new domain settings. Although this usually happens within a few hours, it can sometimes take up to 48 hours. During this period, your domain might not yet point to your new hosting, so don't panic if things don't happen instantly. Once you've waited long enough for propagation, it's time to test things out. You'll want to check if your domain now points to your HostGator hosting account. A simple way to do this is to type your domain into a web browser. If you see your HostGator welcome page or any content you've set up, congratulations, you've successfully moved your domain. If something appears off, double check your settings and ensure you've entered all information correctly. Sometimes a small error can cause issues. And there you have it. You've seamlessly transferred your domain from GoDaddy to HostGator, aligning your domain's direction with your new hosting provider. Don't forget to keep an eye on your site to ensure it remains up and running. Thanks for following along and happy hosting!